Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be doing a very interesting poem that is mascot. What do you mean by mascot? Mascot क्या होता है? कोई भी एक ऐसा symbol, कोई भी एक ऐसा person, कोई भी एक ऐसी thing और animals that bring good luck. जो चीज आपके लिए good luck लेकर आती है उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं mascot. As we must have all seen that whenever we are playing hockey or we are playing any Olympic games, तो उन लोगों के पास उनका एक good luck का symbol होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं mascot. So every team has its own mascot. So let's just begin with this beautiful poem. And I hope you all are studying well at your places. So let's just begin with this poem. So the title of our poem is Mascot, right? And in this chapter, you will read an interesting poem and you just read and enjoy it, right? Watching my local football टीम प्ले में कोई भी यहाँ पे ऐसा इंसान है जो क्या कर रहा है, वॉच कर रहा है, जैसे कि कोई भी लोकल गेम चल रहा है, would definitely be more fun. बहुत ही ज़्यादा फन होगा. It will be an enjoyment. If the other team manage a few goals, मतलब वो कुछ fewer goals कर ले. This fewer is what? This is the comparative degree of adjective, right? And our team occasionally won. और हमारी टीम जो है वो बहुत ही occasionally won करती है. And I had certainly enjoyed it better for I used to enjoy a lot. And I was taller than 4 feet 3 means I was like मैं 4 feet 3 inches उनसे भी बड़ी height है मेरी. सो दैट्स हाउ वी मैनेज नॉट टू स्कोर. और इसी वजह से मैं ज़्यादा स्कोर नहीं कर पाता हूँ. एटलीस्ट आई वुड बी एबल टू सी, शायद मैं देख सकता हूँ, राइट. एंड आई एम एबल टू सी. एंड आई विश आर पेंगुइन मैस्कॉट की हमारा मैस्कॉट क्या है यहाँ पे, पेंगुइन है. वुडंट एक्ट सो स्टूपिड एंड सैड. एंड आई विश कि वो इतना स्टूपिड और सैड एक्ट ना करे. एंड कीप हिज हेड ऑन टिल वी गेट होम मीन्स जब हम घर पहुंचे तो वो एकदम हमारे टीम का सर ऊंचा करके हमको लेके जाए. सो दैट नो वन would know that it's my dad. वो कौन है, मेरे dad. And that has been written by Greet Own, right? Moving on to the word basket, the very first word is definitely. Definitely means we are very much sure, you are certain, it's undoubtful. Occasionally means by chance, galti se. And stupid means foolish, right? Moving on to the exercise. This is the oral exercises where you have to complete all the question answers on your own, like which game is mentioned in the poem. It's football. And how tall is the poet? That is 4 inches 3, kind of this. That is 4 feet 3 inches, right? Now moving on to this written, where we have to take the correct options. The poet watches the local football team, right? You have to mark it over here also. Now, the poet is dash tall. The poet is 4 feet and 3. You have to mark it blue B1 over here. Right? The poet wishes our dash mascot, that is penguin. Right? The penguin जो mascot है, it wouldn't act so stupid and so sad. It's both. See. Now, watching dash play. हम लोग क्या खेल रहे थे? Watching my local football team play. हम लोग देख रहे थे, right? Would dash fun? It would definitely be more fun. Right? And if the dash goals, if the other team managed fewer goals and dash our win, and our team occasionally win, right? And I wish, यहाँ पे penguin आएगा, our penguin, and this P will be capital, right? Because it's a proper noun, and over here they are mentioning penguin as the mascot of their team, right? And wouldn't act so stupid and sad, and keep home, and keep his head on till we get home, right? और ये और कोई नहीं है, ये कौन है, मेरे डैड हैं. एंड सो नो वन knows it's my dad, right? Moving on to the question answers. Please do all these question answers on your own. So I hope you all understood this poem. and it was very familiar to your daily routine life, right? People used to play local cricket matches where they enjoy with their parents, sometimes with their siblings, and of course, sometimes with their friends. Please go through this poem, learn all the word meanings, and apart from these words, if you find any other difficult word, please go through it and look their meanings in the dictionary and write down in your notebooks respectively. And please keep studying hard for our exam and stay blessed. Thank you.